Hi again. So, as we just took a quick look at Cryptid Buster Meta, I'll be showing you quick looks at other cars I've just purchased. Maybe a Derev. Ido-san from Tokyo Meta. Pitstoposaurus. And Mateo. My shop was lucky to have Case H. And I found these out of pure luck. There seems to be Mateo coming soon, along with Randy, Malloy Carhat, and one of the Shining twin girls from the episode of Cars on the Road Lights Out. And two other Road Rumblers. So, this is a bit short, but let's have a small recap. So yeah, Rumble Mesa. All the antenna, the satellite disc, the muddy wheels, and the undercarriage, the expression, the it's on a sofa, by the way, gallon tanks, and the light bars, which I'll zoom in. Yeah. So that's all for me, and goodbye.